Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just make you rethink your lunch routine. What happens to your body when you eat salad every day? So grab your favorite leafy greens, and let's get into it. Salads are often hailed as the ultimate healthy food. But what happens if you make them the centerpiece of your daily diet? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the nutritional benefits. Eating a salad every day can have some pretty amazing effects on your health. Increased fiber intake. Salads are packed with fiber from veggies like spinach, kale, and carrots. Fiber helps with digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and can aid in weight management. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens are a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These nutrients support everything from your immune system to your bone health. Antioxidants galore. Many salad ingredients like tomatoes and bell peppers are high in antioxidants. These can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. But eating salad every day isn't without its potential downsides. Let's go over a few things to watch out for. Nutrient imbalance. While salads are great for certain nutrients, they might lack others like protein and healthy fats. It's important to mix in some protein sources like chicken, tofu, or beans, and healthy fats from avocados or nuts. Excessive fiber. Too much fiber, especially if you're not used to it, can lead to digestive issues like bloating and gas. Make sure to increase your fiber intake gradually and drink plenty of water. Potential for low caloric intake. If you're not adding enough variety or protein, you might end up consuming fewer calories than you need, which can affect your energy levels. So what's the best way to enjoy salads every day while keeping things balanced? Here are a few tips. Mix it up. Incorporate a variety of veggies, fruits, and protein sources. Think spinach, kale, cherry tomatoes, beans, grilled chicken, and even some quinoa. Add healthy fats. Toss in some avocado slices, nuts, or seeds to make your salad more satisfying and nutritionally complete. Watch the dressing. Be mindful of the dressings you use. Opt for homemade dressings with olive oil and vinegar, or choose low-fat options to avoid excess calories. Here are a few quick salad recipe ideas to keep things interesting. Mediterranean salad, mixed greens, cucumbers, olives, feta cheese, and a lemon olive oil dressing. Quinoa salad. Quinoa, black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, and a cilantro lime dressing. Fruit and nut salad, spinach, strawberries, walnuts, goat cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette. Eating a salad every day can be a great way to boost your nutrition, but balance is key. Mix in other healthy foods and pay attention to your body's needs. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tasty recipes. Let me know in the comments if you have any salad tips or favorite recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.